I was 5 and he was 6. We rode on horses made of sticks. He wore black and I wore white.
Hi everyone, so let's get started. First I'm using my Rosemary and Argan Oil and then my Becca First Light Priming Filter on my face. And then I'm going to go with my CC Cream by IT Cosmetics, and I'm just going to apply this in my hands and blend it and smear it across my face. It's much easier that way and kind of fun. And then I'm going to apply my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is my favorite concealer and it's only $6, which is great. Now I'm going to set everything in place using my Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Powder. And I'm going to kind of bake, I guess. I'm applying this under my eyes, under my T-zone area, and then I'm going to kind of let it sit for a bit. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows, and that was really creepy. I have no idea why I did that, but yeah. And then I'm going to just fill my eyebrows in using a dark brown eyeshadow. I don't really do much when it comes to my eyebrows. I just prefer them looking as natural as possible. And then I just set them in place. Now I'm wiping off my bake, and then I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Yes Please eyeshadow palette and pick up those 2 orange shades and just apply it on the crease. And then I'm gonna apply my mascara. This is by MAC. I think it's called 3D Lash Dimension. And then I'm going to take a dark brown eyeshadow and line my lash line. And I love doing eyeshadow wings. I think they're so pretty and so much easier than regular liquid or felt tip eyeliner.
I shot you down, bang bang. You hit the ground, bang bang. That awful sound, bang bang. I used to shoot you down.
And then I'm applying my Hoola bronzer all over my face. Bells ring. Now I'm taking my blush, Tarte blush in Party, and apply that on my cheeks and my nose, a little by my chin. I just love blush so much. And then I'm going to apply my Champagne Pop highlighter by Becca. I love this highlighter, it's so pretty. By the way, if I sound dead, I am so sorry. This is literally my 16th attempt at this voiceover, so I'm kind of sick of it. But anyway, I'm applying my lip liner by Milani in Spice, and then my ColourPop liquid lipstick in Ariba. And then I'm going to put some clear gloss on top, and that's it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!